Good morning, everyone. This is Rick. I juiced last night, and it was very savory, but I think the cabbage really helped me, helped my stomach. I didn't have a lot of burping, and I felt very good. And so I've gone back to the Ultimate Book of Modern Juicing by Mimi Kirk, and I got the Wake Me Up juice. And the recipe called for kale leaves, carrots, apple, spinach, or romaine, and a pinch of turmeric, an apple. I've put some pepper, black pepper, in with the juice to get the turmeric activated, where I will absorb it. Black pepper helps you absorb up to 2,000 more times of the turmeric than if you hadn't used the pepper. Here's the juice. It doesn't produce very much, but I'm going to taste it now. But it tastes a whole lot sweeter. Woo! Whole lot sweeter than the juice I had last night. It's very tutti frutti. And the only fruit we put in it was I think we added 2 apples total, and some more carrot. And wow, they say romaine makes it taste like chocolate, but it doesn't taste, if you do romaine juice and carrots. But this has got other stuff in it. But wow, boy, it wakes you up. It's called the Wake Me Up juice. That's the name of the recipe in here. I'm not going to show you the recipe because copyright, whatever, It's a very good book. It's got some interesting recipes. So the Wake Me Up juice, wow. I haven't eaten any solid food. I'm going to try to juice as long as I can. It may be, I might eat lunch, solid food today. I don't know, or I might try to do juice. But her recipes are really interesting, and you feel like they're very, very healthy. So thank you, Mimi Kirk. And thank the Lord for giving us fruits and vegetables that heal our bodies. Thank you for watching.